Hi, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how you can turn any image into a cartoon, like these photos over here. These are stickers, so you can use them, you can print them, you can use them online, do whatever you want. So let's do the tutorial. So you want to start off by going to this website called StickerBaker.com. This is an open source project, so it's basically free to use, and they say that they delete images right away. So here it says all face uploads are deleted after processing. So I think if it's not a face upload, it's not going to be deleted right away. So I'm not sure about that one, but rest assured, if it is a face, based on what they say, it's going to be deleted. All right, so what we're going to do here is just simply upload the image. So I'm just going to go here, upload. I'm going to take my PFP, and that's it. So you can use the prompt here. So let's just start without the prompt first and hit bake. And okay, you have to hit the prompt. So maybe I'll just say fun. And let's see what happens. So I'm just going to hit bake. And now it's going to start baking the image. So I can turn my photo into a sticker. And also, I mean, you can turn this into a side hustle where you can take something, a design or something, turn that into a sticker, and then go to Redbubble and turn, Redbubble is a site where people sell stickers, so it could be a good side hustle as well. Okay, so here's the sticker that we got. I can thumbs up. I don't know what's going to happen. Oh, just rating them for their success. I can do a new one. I can share. So if I go to share, it copies the link to clipboard, or I can save, which is where it's going to download the sticker to my desktop. And if I go back, here's my sticker. Oh, here, print on Sticker Mule. I guess that's how they're monetizing it. So if I go to Sticker Mule, I can have my sticker, I can print it, and I could start selling it as well. So that's cool. So let's go back here, StickerBaker, and let's try it again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to a new one, and I'm gonna try different prompt this time. So I'm gonna upload the photo, and I'm gonna say, what should we say? Okay, let's just say scared. Let's see if it changes the expression. It's going. Actually, it doesn't take that long. When this tool first came out, it used to take like a few minutes, but now it only takes a few seconds to process. And you can see all these stickers being generated by different people that are using the app right now. It is getting pretty popular. So if you look at their stats, their traffic is increasing quite a lot. I like this one. Honestly, I find just scrolling through the stickers kind of fun as well because people are quite creative. Like, this is a cool Pixar character. So I don't think prompts working well with the face. I think when you talk about like just adding a face to the sticker, it's only just getting the sticker done like from the photo. And I'm gonna go back. And the other way you can do that is just by typing in any prompt. Here's a sticker for a flying dog. This is cool. You have like this one, you have this one. This is cute. I'll see you soon with another cool AI tool.